this one. Alright. Push and turn. So busted siya. Ayan, putol. Putol yung ating ano, lamp. So this is our new halogen lamp. So ito maganda, hindi siya putol. So ito na yung ating bagong ilaw guys. Maganda to. Kakabit na natin dito. Push and turn clockwise, and then babalik natin tong lens.